guys, good morning. It is leaving day. I'm literally about to leave in a few minutes, but I did want to give y'all a quick room tour. So as y'all can see, this is the entryway behind me. This is the doorway. So when you first come in, the cool thing about this is, and hold on so I can flip the camera. The cool thing about this is when you come in, this is your key. So pulling it out turns the lights off, and putting it back in turns the light on. And I guess that's a good way so you don't forget your key, but I have done it on this trip already. Free mini bar. This is the room right here. Nothing major. This is the bathroom, real nice size bathroom. All right, and then we're gonna head out here. And this is our view. We did book last minute, as I told y'all in one of the videos before this one. So as you all know, all good things must come to an end. This trip has come to an end. This room tour has come to an end. And on that note, see you guys later. So as you all... So we're out.